Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite frankly, an awful day on this one. Awful, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but just confirms what I've talked about many times over, and that is the fact that GameStop does not have a problem with finding momentum. It does not have a problem with finding people that are interested in it. The massive problem now is it just can't maintain any sort of momentum. And there are multiple examples of that. I'm not going to go back and show them just because, like I said, if you care about that part enough, all you got to do is go back in the video archive, and you can see the past times I've done GameStop, because we have a perfect example. In fact, probably one of the most brutal examples so far. But look at that 30-minute session right there. That 30-minute period, late morning, huge volume came pouring in, and the price just surged in the upwards direction. So you can't deny the fact that that was a whole lot of upwards buying pressure. That was a whole lot of momentum. But then you know the rest of the story. I mean, the price came up here, and then not only did it go back to where it started, which was, right around here, but it just kept on dropping. I mean, truly a savage day, and illustrates that GameStop just can no longer seemingly maintain any sort of momentum. And, just yet again, another data point of it, which brings about where some of these next potential. Well, let me talk about resistance levels real quick. Resistance level number one, I mean, that's a massive thorn in the side of this chart right now, is all about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. You can see rejected the price, and then today, this morning, rejected the price, and then once again, rejected the price. So that is by far public enemy number one when it comes to areas of resistance that you're going to want to keep a close eye on. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, I realize things are getting, actually, let's just go to the daily time frame, because it's going to be, sorry about that, my record. Even the daily time frame is very, very hard to see where these next potential areas of support are, just because, of course, the proportions are all thrown off because of the mayhem that occurred. But yeah, let's see. Next key area going to be right down there around the $35 mark. And then after 35, next level after that, down there around 31. So those would be the next key areas of support. But yeah, overall, a brutal, brutal day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.